Okay, we are doing the experiment, how are physical properties observed. It's lesson 2. So we're setting our purpose. What skills will you learn from this investigations? How to measure the mass of an object and sort them into groups based on their properties. How to describe matter by using properties. The next part is, how can you find the mass of an object? You can put an object on a pan balance and add known mass to the other side until the pan is leveled. Why do you add up the mass on the other pan? When the pans are balanced, the total of the mass are equal to each other. So that tells you. Then you need to set up your graph, your table, I mean. I would like you to observe 3 objects, please, in the room to figure out. On the top I put objects, then the things we're observing is the mass, the shape, the texture, the color, the hardness, and the odor. This is the experiment we're doing, so time to get your hands on. In this activity, you and your classmates will explore the physical properties of matter. It says here to pick 5 items. We are picking 3 solid objects that will fit inside the pan or on top of the pan. Spread the objects out on the table. Make the table to record your observations, and we've done that. You should observe color, mass, shape, texture, hardness, and odor. What else can you add onto the table? Here we go. Use the pan to find the mass of each object. Record the mass. So that's your first step, because if you put mass first. Then find 3 other ways to, then I want you to do that with all the objects. Fill out your whole table. So you'll fill out this whole thing on the color, the shape, the texture, the mass, the odor of it. Then you're going to find 3 ways. You're going to find a way to group those, whether you group them according to their mass, their shape, their texture, their color, their hardness, or their odor. Then I want you to find another way to group them. So that's your experiment. When you get done doing that, I would like you to answer the questions on the back. When that is done, you may go to the other experiment that says level 2 or lesson 2 experiment, and then you'll be ready for the quiz for that part.